Today we're harvesting sweet potatoes. These are actual ornamental annual warm season bedding plants that can be used in the landscape for their vining habit. They are excellent borders. They will cover ground for many, many feet. And these are just beautiful for their foliage, but these are also edible. Now, this is our standard Orleans sweet potato, and we've grown these all here in containers, in 3-gallon and 7-gallon containers, to do a comparison of this Treasure Island series to see what the potatoes look like, how they produce on top of this beautiful foliage. You can also eat the foliage, so you can grow these in the landscape, and then at the end of the season you can harvest them and eat them at Thanksgiving time. For Christmas, these last for quite some time. So again, here's our regular Orleans grown in a container. Then we have the Makatea that is this beautiful lime color. Look at how long these shoots go. Now, these produce very small sweet potatoes. But then we have the Mahini, which is this gorgeous, gorgeous purple foliage. And look at the size of these potatoes. Just wonderful, grown in containers. Now, we also have the Takakoto. These have more of a purple color skin, and they're just beautiful. Look how large these have gotten just in containers. Then we have my favorite. This one's called Kakura. This one actually produces quite a few flowers. And look at this light skin. Look at this beautiful sweet potato that was produced in containers. And last, we have the Tahiti. What a fun name. We've got this purple skin, again, very large potatoes. So these can be grown in the landscape and harvested, and again in containers and harvested, and you can eat these. They're both ornamental and edible. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.